How to hide token on MetaMask wallet account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide a token in MetaMask. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your MetaMask application on your mobile device and you'll make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. On this main screen, you will see the list of tokens in your wallet at the bottom. From here, now you will need to locate and find the token you'd like to hide. Once you find the token you'd like to hide, you will need to simply tap on it and hold it until you see the pop-up at the bottom. From this pop-up, here you will need to select this hide option. Tap on this hide and by doing so, your token will be hidden successfully. A confirmation will appear informing you that you have hidden the token. If in case you want to undo it, you will need to simply tap on this import tokens at the bottom. And here in the search bar, you will need to search for the token you have hid earlier. And from there, you will need to select import or next button in order to unhide the token. So by following these steps, you can easily hide tokens in your MetaMask wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.